Hi Tom, just like to see your FRG-7 running. Okay, you were saying you didn't get much on medium wave and sideband or whatever. I'll show you what I've done. You've asked for me for improvements as well. Not many improvements needing doing on this one really, because they are pretty good. But I've put a bulb in your meter as well. Just like to see the bulbs are all working in there as well, as they should do. Everything's lit up now. You can actually see the meter better with the bulb in there, I think, personally. Your lock light wasn't working, it's working now. Okay, so that's working. You were right enough, it wasn't receiving below 10 megahertz actually, it wasn't really receiving very much at all. But that's medium wave, as you can see. Okay, and you set it up. One, if it goes out of lock, you see it dropping out, signal dropping out. More in lock, signal peaks out, okay? And obviously you pre-select, bring the signal up. So it's receiving medium wave. Okay. Now, I don't know if there's going to be much on 1.6 or whatever, but we'll try. Let's see now. Let's try now. That one. On the wrong pre-select. There we go. Let's see what we can find. As you can hear, it's tuning. I doubt there's much about the place. Try it. It's very difficult with such a wide. There we go. Yeah, I doubt there's not going to be much up at 1.6 and above. We'll try, 3. See if there's anybody about on 3. Excuse the knocking in the background, neighbours are having some work done. So we're about 3. Very side man. Thought there might be some old boys about. It's not a very good area I'm on, but it's a vertical, so. Typical. Right, okay. Let's go to 5 because we know that. What a noise. Oh. Yeah, there's tons of noise today, unfortunately. The weather's not all that great, it's very, very wet and rainy. Anyway, let's try, what, 10? It's on 10. Jesus, that's loud. There we go. So there's Hamburg. Very, very strong signal. Alright. And then what we got after that? 10, 20 metres maybe. 20, see who's about. 14. Oops, tuning down the pre-select. There's FT8 coming in. But it's more or less right. 7.4. Let's see if we get any.
Italia Universitatea Livorno Sănătămână.
Somebody there.
X-ray Lima, good morning, you're 5 and 555, over.
Hearing a noise, but
Thank you very much for the 5770, bye-bye. KIB clear, just white and frequency clear.
Let's try a bit of broadcast. Let's see, 15.
Vous avez envisagé de consulter? Est-ce que c'est quelque chose que vous avez déjà fait?
On l'a fait.
Рисовом том блюсте, ведь в каждом том зерне и пот, и труд, и слезы. Эти стихи учат в Китае в детских садах, чтобы дети поняли, с каким трудом выращивают пшеницу и рис.
So there you go, but you can hear it, it's running great now. A lot better than what it was, obviously. And I've also replaced all the old caps. That's all your old caps there. Alright. And I've replaced them with decent caps here, especially in the audio stage. You know, that's the smoothing capacitors for the power supply, so it's not really that critical, apart from the fact the old ones were only 1000 microfarad and these ones are 2200, so there's plenty of smoothing there for the, you know, for that. But around the audio stage is audio caps, proper high-end audio caps. Other than that, she's in good order, she's working well, and as I say, I've put a bulb in that meter as well, because it just looks nicer, I think, personally. So all you need to do yourself now is tidy that bit up with a bit of paint or something. Somebody's good at that. I'm not any good at that, but there you go. So I hope you enjoyed that vid. Plenty of bits done, and it's all working great. Cheers buddy, bye now.